Hi everyone, I'm Miss Brittany, and for today's activity corner we are going to do a science experiment called rainbow paper. Now, for this experiment, you're going to need a piece of black construction paper, but I fully encourage you to use other colors. You're going to need scissors, a white pencil or crayon, a ruler, a bowl of water, clear nail polish, and a paper towel. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your construction paper and you're going to measure out a piece no bigger than 3 inches by 5 inches. Then you're going to mark your measurements with your white crayon or colored pencil and use your scissors to cut out your pieces. I used the ruler for straight lines. It is not a requirement for this project. Once you're done, your piece should look like this. I also have a red one that we will be experimenting on as well. Alright, so the first step is you're going to take your your nail polish, and you're only going to need 1 drop. And you're going to put it in your water, and within 10 to 15 seconds of putting your nail polish in, you're going to put your paper in your water. It should start soaking up the water and the nail polish until it is completely soaked through, or about a minute. And once that's done, you're going to pull it out and put it on your paper towel. It should look something like this once it's dry. None of your projects are going to look exactly the same just because the patterns spread differently. But that is part of the fun of this. As you can see, it's kind of spreading, the water spreads pretty quick. And there are 2 ways to do this. Once we've got this one out, we're going to use our red one, and I'm going to show you how to do it the other way. If your paper curls, you can also kind of help it along, just not too much. All right. We're going to say this one's good for now. And when you pull it out, you're going to pull it out very carefully. You're going to put it on your paper towel. You should be able to see the design a little bit in the light, but it'll become much more visible when it's fully dry. You should let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then everything should become a little clearer. All right, and for the second way, I'm going to use red paper for this one. You're going to take your paper and you're going to stick it in the water, but without the nail polish, and let it get kind of fully soaked. And as there is no nail polish, you don't have to worry about helping it along. All right, so this one's pretty soaked. So we are going to take our nail polish, and again, using only 1 drop, you're going to put it on top of the paper. And sometimes you can see the film spreading. Again, you should leave it in for about a minute. And I think this one looks pretty good. So we're going to pull it out. Again, very carefully. We're going to put it on our paper towel to let it dry. You can use either way, both work just fine. Once you're done, you'll have a unique piece of paper. You can do all sorts of things like cut it into shapes or make collages. The ideas are endless. So have fun and happy experimenting.